Hello guys, welcome to K1. Take care. Today I want to show you some information to help you to sort it out your phone if you cannot charge it. I got two phones here. One is iPhone, one is the Samsung, one is with a Lightning connection, one is the Type C connection. And sometimes when you want to charge your phone, it's not going in there to the end, or you need to wiggle it to start charging because some dirt or fluff is inside. I got a few customer come, they are try to clean them up, but they are actually damage it more in case to repair, to clean them, to make a charge. Just want to show you today in this video what you should care for with when you are start to clean it up. Some say, you know what, use the hoover and hoover it out, but if in case the fluff or dirt inside proper stuck in, you cannot hoover it out. You need to have use something to pull them out. And this is what I'm going to show you today. You can use the needle, very thin needle like them, or what I'm going to use today, I'm using one of my tweezers with very, yeah, that one I'm going to use. You can use it yourself, use like that, but I'm going to use under microscope that you can see what actually I'm going to do and what you have to care for with, that you not damage the pin inside when you are trying to clean it. So let's start it. Let's change it, the camera view. So if you don't have the equipment, you're more than welcome to bring it to our store in Clacton, and we are do it for you. And this is the fees we charge. I think it's a £12.50 or £15, something like that. We charge to do this job for you. But what I say, you can do it yourself at home if you care for enough. So we are starting to do it first with the Type C one. Let me put it in the right position. Show you can, if I got, yeah, you can see here is like a fluff and dirt is stuck. Let me bring it in the right position that you can, so you can see. Okay, here is better. Just I'm looking to camera position that you can, so you can see here is a fluff go round it. You don't want to put something big inside to damage this port there, because it's going very easily damaged. And if you see on the side, one second, I just need to look the camera as well, that to show you what you see is good enough. It's very hard to see it, but let's have a look. It's hard to see it, guys, but you got the gold connection. Is like a pin, goldy color, that is connected this one to your port, to your cable, when you are connecting the cable into it. And you need to be careful with that one. We don't want to damage this bit. So it means what you are using something like that, what I have, very small and thin. When you put it in there, what you want to do, you want to go on the side to just to give you, take it out. What I'm doing, like here, you see that is coming out, and you can nicely take it out and clean them, your port, honestly. And you have to care for, you not give a patient, don't damage it. Some of them, that one was easy now, but some of them is proper hard to take them out. You don't want to, again, you don't want to go close to this pin, to this area here, this side and this side, because we don't want to damage the pin and the them, and we don't want to bend them. So it's mean go nicely on the side and take the dirt out what is in the left. And if you just carry on, you can see nicely it's all out, and it should, your charging port, work absolutely fine, and plug the cable in there with no any issues. Afterwards, when you have done it, if you get got the access to the air, just air it in, or just blow up to rest what is loose is come out as well. And that's it. Okay, and this is how you clean the Type C one, the charging port. What I say, use a very thin like them, and give a go. Just don't go close to the port in the middle one. We don't want to damage this one. So next one is the iPhone. iPhone is much easier. Just what you have to care for with the pin what you got there. I think this is easier to see. Yeah, if you see, 1 second. Yeah, if you see there, they're all like is the pin popping out. Oh, if I can't, there you go. Let me do the light in the right position. So there you go. The pin, what you see there, them here, this is the what is actually is popping out. To connect your lightning cable, where you plug in there to connect it, is only one side. This pin here, and we don't want to damage it. We don't want to go too close to this one to bend them out and damage the charging port. So what you have to do, just when you're holding your phone, the pin all fall in the back. This is the back of the phone here, and the pin all actually is in the, how can I say, is in the back. All right, so it means when you want to clean it, just a little bit go at the front, and same the other one, just to go there slowly take the dirt out, and on the side pull them out. Okay, if you got the other side, that one was easy as well. But if you got the other side, just turn your phone, okay, and start to clean them nicely clean. And when you're finished, if you got the, what I say, access to the air, just air it inside or just blow up, and nicely give the clean, and it should absolutely everything work fine. What you don't want to do, you don't want to go close to this pin here to bend them out. Okay, you don't want to do it something hard or big, you know, to force it in there to damage them. That's it. Actually, this is how you are going to clean the charging port on your phone. When you have trouble to put the cable inside, it's not go to the end, or you have to wiggle it out to work, just look inside the charging port with magnifying glass. If you don't have a microscope, I don't think anyone have a microscope at home, or make a picture with your phone, but with your partner phone, and zoom it in, and you can see it better as well, if in case something inside or not. I hope this video is help. If you need a honestly comment or need a help, drop me comment. Not need a comment. If you need help, drop me comment. I'll try my best to help you. Thank you for watching. K1, take care, and hopefully see you in next video.